Hey guys, this tutorial is for any device which is from Samsung if it will refuses to go into safe mode. So for example, if your device just doesn't want to go into safe mode as you normally do with using power and volume down while it's booting, that's because these newer devices have changed the procedure. Alright, so it's a little bit different now. So the key to getting into safe mode other than power and volume down is to connect your USB charger, or it can be USB-C to USB-C or USB-C to USB-C. It doesn't really matter as long as you connect it to the computer. No special software is needed. Go ahead and hook up the device to the computer. All right. So next, you're gonna power off your phone. So go ahead and power off. I'm gonna show you that it's now easy to place any of these devices into safe mode. The key is attached to the computer. Alright, so we're gonna hold volume down and power. Here we go. Volume down and power. Alright. So we're gonna hold volume down and power. Alright, as soon as you see the first logo, let go of power. And this is the key to getting into safe mode on these newer devices. Alright, so they just refuse to go into safe mode unless you hook up a computer. No software needed. Alright, so you can see Android booting. And this one should go straight to safe mode without any problems. Alright, just need to wait that up a bit. Alright, there you go. See? So we're now in safe mode. That was power, volume down, and the device is in safe mode as it says safe mode there. And every screen you go, it will say safe mode. Alright, so you can troubleshoot issues with apps from here. So of course, when you want to exit, simple again. Once you've done what you're supposed to do, alright, so it asks you if you want to turn off safe mode as you see there. So when it cancels, but the way to leave is to go here, tap on safe mode, and then hit turn off safe mode. Alright, so it's gonna boot back into normal mode, even if the cable is still connected. I don't need to press any buttons this time. Just go right back to normal mode. Right, so here you go, it's back up, booted up, and safe mode is gone. You're not seeing it anywhere. Alright, so it's now back to normal mode. Alright, so that's for any device. So see you in the next one, guys. Bye.